beautiful people, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. We are happy, we are so delighted to have you here. Welcome to Joyton, and I do hope you will enjoy your stay here today. And we can never take your love for granted, okay? You are amazing. And on this channel, we'll be bringing you latest news and gist. And if you like to be family, no problem. Just go ahead and click on that red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. And in this particular video, I am going to be watching with you. So with that being said, let's get into the video.
Me, for the past 6 months, some things that is so hard for me to say. We need to pray for Nigeria. What is coming ahead in the next 3 months is not good. You see? May, June, July. I can't talk more than this. We need to pray for Nigeria. We need to pray. You see, the military, the police, the SSS, the paramilitary, work they plenty for on our hand. What is coming ahead? We need to pray for Nigeria. Hey! I appeal to those in authority to move with caution and get sensitive. The cloud is dark and it is pregnant. And the baby that is about to come from this pregnancy is an evil baby. I will leave it that way. I repeat what I'm saying. The cloud is dark. She's pregnant. The baby that is about to come, it's not a good baby. It's an evil baby. Say, my Father, save Nigeria. Save Nigeria. Open your mouth and pray. Just 5 minutes before we go.
We pray for Nigeria. Every evil devil, we have fighting by fire. We have fighting by fire. We have fighting by fire.
Oh Nigeria, our land of glory, I weep for you because you are already injured and you are bleeding. Who can stop this gush and flow of blood? Oh Nigeria, I can't tell you what I see. May history not repeat itself.
Amen.
Sometimes mark all I have prophesied in parable. No, I'm a mature prophet. I won't talk more than this. My spirit boils. We're going to fast on the 1st of May, being on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
We're going to fast on the 6th of May. We're going to fast on the 15th of May. And we're going to fast on the 30th of May. I will tell you how it is. 1st of May, 6th of May, 15th of May, 30th of May. Please, please don't say, is it not about Nigeria? Oh. I don't know how to say this. I'll leave it that way. I pray you don't say I am just talking. Let's leave it that way. Olúwa, ẹ̀yin la tóbi jù lórí Nàìjíríà. Olúwa, ẹ̀yin la tóbi jù. Àwọn ibi tí ara bàtà. Ẹ̀yin la tóbi jù. Àwọn ibi tí ara bàtà. Ẹ̀yin la tóbi jù. What will bring our country on CNN, on all media all over the world, talking on a particular thing? Let us pray. And that's it. What will make us to be on all news stations, commentaries, and people talking? Please don't play with what I'm saying. I say on the 1st of May we fast, on the 6th of May we fast, on the 15th of May we fast, on the 30th of May. Then by the month of May, I will give you subsequent program for June and July. Please follow me. When there is peace in the land, then there will be peace around your life. May the Lord bless you. Amen. Keep you.
Okay guys, so that'll be all from us today, and we do hope to see you in our next one. And if you have not subscribed and you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe, okay? And turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. And if there's anything you would like us to know or any kind of suggestion you have for us, feel free and drop it at the comment section and we will get back to you. Until next time, bye for now.